Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the supplier partnership, supplier partnering, and supplier selection, supplier rating. So first of all, we need to know what is supplier partnering and how we are going to select. So who are these suppliers and why, what is importance of this supplier selection is there are following some important criteria for the evaluation and selection of the suppliers. The first one is the supplier should have the capability to produce the items in quantities needed by the organization. So we should know whether they meet our requirements. They can, if for example, I need the product in 500 numbers. I need a product of 500 numbers where the supplier should also be ready to produce that 500 count. If they are not able or if they don't have the capability, then we cannot go for a long time run. So the supplier has an excellent quality practice and commitment to quality, and supplier maintains high technical standards and has the capability of dealing with future technological innovations. So for as of now, they are ready to produce the 500 counts. What instance, if I need by tomorrow I need a count of 600, they will be manageable, or they will meet that technical knowledge, innovations. I should make a plan for it also. The price is right and the delivery dates can be met, and I should also have the dealing. For example, the same 500 count, I am going with the budget of 5 lakhs, and if the supplier is rating it for the 10 lakhs, what is the purpose in that? Because the maximum budget of that 500 count is it to be a 5 lakhs, but the supplier make it as a 10 lakhs. There is a no mutual understanding, right? And the delivery date, the delivery that implementation is also very important. The supplier is easily accessible in terms of transportation and communication. So in any terms, the supplier should have the mutual relationship and they should have a benefiting of in all terms. The supplier has a track record of customer satisfaction and organization creditably. So we also need to check whether they have the previous good records with the other customers also. The supplier has an effective quality system and improvement program such as ISO 9000. So we have to cross check whether the supplier is a standardly recognized supplier, or they can meet out all the needs and necessaries in an industrial area. The supplier understands and appreciates the management philosophy of an organization, so they should be a supportive to the management also. So these are the basic points where the supplier selections need to be meet out with our requirements. As an organization, we should always go with the supplier selection very carefully, because the supplier is not for a short time. They are going to travel us with a long time in industrial work. So in that time we need to know each and every nook and knowledge of the supplier's profile, supplier's organization, supplier company's profile. Thank you for your time. We will meet in the next lecture.